Betsy, can you say A?
A.
B?
B.
C?
A.
D?
D.
E?
A.
F?
F.
G?
G.
H?
H.
I?
A.
J?
D.
K?
What the?
That's Lulu.
That's Lulu. She's interrupting me singing here.
Say K?
D.
L?
Lulu, you're interrupting the alphabet.
L for Lulu. L?
Your L. Daddy can't even say his L's.
L? Say L and we'll give you a high five.
O.
Yes.
M? N?
N.
O?
O.
P? Like poop. P?
P. You say P?
Yes, you can. Try your P. P. Poop.
P.
Bin.
Good.
Q.
Q's a hard one.
Q is like cat. Q.
2.
R.
O.
S.
S.
T.
D.
U.
U.
V.
W.
That's W. X.
X.
Good. Y. Say Y. Like Wawa. Y. And Z.
Z.
Good
Z.
job.
Okay, awesome, Betsy.
And how old are you?
2.
2. Good. You are awesome.